It's 2019 and everyone watching this video is familiar with social media and instant messaging platforms just like Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. I can start naming and the list won't end. So today I will be talking about a very old application, and it's none other than Skype. It came out 16 years ago and people still use it because it's an all-time favorite. If you're not familiar with Skype, you might be a bit too young, but jokes aside, it's a telecommunications app which you can use to make audio and video calls to people all around the world, just like WhatsApp, Viber, or FaceTime. The reason why I picked Skype is because people are not familiar with it because of its age and declining popularity throughout the years, but I'm here just to shed some light that a lot of new telecom applications have entered the market and have improved ever since. Skype is a great application for day-to-day communication over the internet. It's highly recommended by employers and university admissions teams as they set up interviews with future applicants. And earlier this year, Times UK picked up a story where millions of patients will be using Skype to have face-to-face consultations with doctors. Skype's UI has improved a lot in the past 10 years. As you can see in the latest version of Skype here, this is the main menu. I just logged in, and here my contacts are here, even though I don't have any contacts at the moment. And your messages are here too. There's your group chats where you can talk to up to 32 people in the same video call and up to 50 people in the same audio call. According to Engadget, last year the Amazon Alexa was programmed to be able to make Skype calls through their Skype account, which had to be synced to the Amazon Echo devices. Furthermore, the user is able to make regular voice calls to landline and mobile numbers through a Skype feature called Skype Out. Majority of the older population seems to prefer Skype because of its easy interface and that they have grown used to it over the years, as older people tend to struggle with new technology. The use of Skype has declined over the years, as Microsoft failed to compete with other telecom apps that came along the way, for example WhatsApp or Viber. When I initially used Skype, I faced connection issues and it used to slow down the device. Multitasking was difficult because of the lag, and apps like Viber and WhatsApp changed the game as their initial interfaces were simpler and performance-wise was very efficient. I can vouch for Viber because even my parents, who were very far on technology, preferred Viber over Skype for free calls over the internet. There's been a lot of controversy regarding Skype, that they did not have an end-to-end encryption for instant messaging, but they did implement a private messaging interface for users so that it would protect their privacies. And they did it last year, according to The Verge. They've added ads to their interface, but people do not like ads, and especially if the ads are related to the things you search for, because it's an invasion of privacy. So at that point, it's really hard to compete with other apps that have the same functionalities as Skype and has no ads and is free as well, just like Discord. In order to improve Skype, I would create a separate instant messaging platform and a formal platform for important tasks like interviews, consultations, training, etc. and definitely decrease the amount of ads. Skype has been an all-time favorite and well-known for a very long time, just like MSN and Yahoo Messenger. The last thing we want would be for Skype to close down, just like those two. The internet community was very sad about MSN and Yahoo closing down. Not only that, a lot of third world countries still continue to use Skype for day-to-day business and training purposes. Switching to a new platform could cost these businesses. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. Until next time.